So there's different islands in Hawaii, right?
Right.
Six of those islands are actually people live on, and work and play.
Mm-hmm.
So most recently, we just got another account on another island. And
Oh,
so, yeah, so like we live on Oahu, but we just got an account on Maui.
okay.
And so you heard of Maui, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So I have to fly there 3 times a week to do this account.
What? Wait a minute. So how long of a flight is that? Because I was wondering, I'm like, what, are you taking a boat or what? Like, wow, so you fly that. How long of a flight is that?
Dude, yeah. So I do round trip flights 3 days a week to Maui to set that account up. But
Man.
I think get one way it's probably around like 40 minutes.
Okay,
40-minute flight to
too
get
bad.
there.
That's crazy.
It's like a
That's
drive.
crazy, bro.
Island life. Island life. So I go over there. So I'm going over there Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Yeah.
And rental car, everything. Go over there, set up the account. I'm training my crew right now. And so after they're all trained, they're ready to go. Then I only have to go out there once a month just to check up on them and stuff.
Right.
But that was a big account for us. That account will pay us, close to 60 grand this year for that one account. Yeah.
That's huge, man. And I love that because you got to be willing to go get it. A lot of people would have said in that situation, well, no, we don't service that island. You know what I mean? We can't get over there but you found a way. You know what I mean? Where there's a way. Yeah, I love that, man. So
there's a will.